Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. Tonight, you will meet Anna. She is at a restaurant with her friend Lily. But there is a small problem. The restaurant brings the wrong food and drink. Anna feels nervous and shy. She does not want to sound rude. Can Anna politely ask for the correct order? Listen carefully and find the answer. What drink did Anna finally order? At the end, write your answer in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember new words better. Now, let's begin the story together.
Lily?
Yes?
I think this is wrong.
Really? What did you order?
I ordered the chicken salad.
And what is this?
I think this is pasta.
Oh, yes, it looks like pasta.
And I ordered orange juice.
But this is iced tea.
Yeah, I think so.
It's okay.
I don't want to be rude.
You are not rude.
I feel nervous.
That's okay too.
Maybe I should just eat this.
But it's not your order.
I know.
You can ask politely.
What should I say?
Just say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me?
Good. Very good.
Then what?
Just say, "I think there is a mistake."
I think there is a mistake,
Perfect.
but I still feel shy.
Take your time.
What if the server gets upset?
I don't think so.
Really?
Yes, mistakes happen.
Maybe.
And you are speaking very politely.
I just don't like complaining.
You are not complaining.
Am I not?
No, you are asking for help.
That sounds better. See, you're doing well.
Thanks, Lily. I'm here. Okay, maybe I can do it.
Yes, you can.
Let me try in a minute. Take your time.
Lily, I'm still nervous.
It's okay.
My heart is beating fast.
Take your time.
Can we practice again?
Of course.
Okay, what should I say first?
First say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Good.
Then say, I think there is a mistake. I think there is a mistake.
Very nice.
Then what?
I ordered the chicken salad.
I ordered the chicken salad.
Perfect.
And the drink?
I ordered orange juice.
I ordered orange juice.
Great job.
Okay.
You're doing well.
I still sound nervous.
That's normal. Really? Yes, many people feel nervous. Even you? Sometimes, yes.
Oh.
But polite words help a lot.
Okay.
Let's practice one more time.
One more time?
Yes, slowly.
Okay. Excuse me.
Good.
I think there is a mistake.
Nice and clear.
I ordered the chicken salad.
Very good.
I ordered orange juice.
Excellent.
Then maybe, can I change this, please?
Yes, that's perfect.
Can I change this, please?
Very polite.
I think I can do this now.
I know you can.
Thanks for helping me.
I'm here.
Okay. I will call the server soon.
You're doing great.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I think there is a mistake.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I ordered the chicken salad.
The chicken sandwich?
Oh, no,
Sorry?
not the sandwich.
Ah, okay.
I ordered the chicken salad.
Oh, the salad.
Yes.
I see.
And I ordered orange juice.
Orange soda?
No,
Sorry, can you say that again?
orange juice.
Oh, orange juice.
Yes,
I'm very sorry about that.
it's okay.
So this is not your order?
No, I think this is not my order.
I understand now.
Can I change this, please?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no need to say sorry.
Really?
Yes, Mistakes happen sometimes.
Okay.
Thank you for telling me.
I was nervous.
You spoke very politely.
Thank you.
I will bring the correct order soon.
Okay.
Chicken salad and orange juice, right?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I'll be back soon.
Oh no.
What happened?
I think I sounded strange.
No, you sounded fine.
Really?
Yes, really.
But he did not understand me at first.
That's okay.
I felt very nervous.
I know.
My voice was shaking.
You still did a good job.
You think so?
Of course.
I said chicken salad 2 times.
Yes, and that helped.
And orange juice too. Exactly. I thought maybe he was upset.
No, he was very kind.
Maybe.
Anna, mistakes happen in restaurants.
I know.
And you were very polite.
I tried my best.
I could see that.
I still feel a little embarrassed.
That feeling will go away.
I hope so. You said, "Excuse me," very clearly.
Really? Yes.
And I said, "I think there is a mistake."
Perfect sentence.
Then I said, "Can I change this, please?" Very polite and friendly. Okay, maybe I did okay.
You did more than okay.
Thanks, Lily. I'm here. I'm happy you came with me tonight.
Me too.
Next time, maybe I can do this alone.
Yes, you can.
Maybe not today. That's okay. Take your time. Thanks for being patient.
Always.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Here is your chicken salad.
Oh, thank you.
And here is your orange juice.
Yes, this is correct.
I'm very sorry about the mistake.
It's okay.
Thank you for waiting.
No worries.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything looks good.
Great.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Of course.
The salad looks very nice.
I'm glad to hear that.
And the orange juice looks fresh.
Yes, it is fresh orange juice.
Perfect.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
And thank you again for being patient.
That's okay.
You explained everything very clearly.
Really?
Yes, you were very polite.
Thank you. I was nervous before.
I understand.
But now I feel much better.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for listening carefully.
No problem at all.
I'm happy now.
That's great.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, how do you feel now?
Much better.
I'm happy to hear that.
I was very nervous before,
I know.
but now I feel more confident.
You did a really good job tonight.
Thanks.
Let's review everything together.
Okay.
First, we checked the order.
Right.
Then you said, "I think this is wrong."
Yes.
After that, you practiced polite sentences. Excuse me. Exactly. And I think there is a mistake. Very good. Then I said, "I ordered the chicken salad." Yes, very clearly. And I ordered orange juice. Perfect. I repeated the word slowly. That helped a lot. I was still nervous, though. That's okay. Then I asked, "Can I change this, please?" Very polite. Tom was kind, too. Yes, he was very patient. I thought he might be upset, but he wasn't. No, he was very nice. See, you had nothing to worry about. I guess so. And in the end, you got your chicken salad. And my orange juice. That's right. I'm happy I spoke up. Me too. Next time, I think I can do this alone. Yes, you can. Maybe I will still feel nervous. That's normal. But now I know what to say. Exactly. You're doing well. Thanks for helping me tonight. I'm always here. I feel proud of myself now. You should feel proud. Thanks, Lily. You're welcome. Let's enjoy dinner now. Sounds good.
What a nice and gentle ending. At first, Anna felt nervous and uncomfortable. She did not want to complain or make trouble, but little by little, she spoke calmly and politely. In the end, she solved the problem and felt more confident. And you listened very well today. Small conversations like this are very useful in real life. Step by step, your English can become clearer and more natural too. It's okay to feel nervous sometimes. Take your time. You're doing well. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What drink did Anna finally order? Write your answer. What a nice and gentle ending. At first, Anna felt nervous and uncomfortable. She did not want to complain or make trouble, but little by little, she spoke calmly and politely. In the end, she solved the problem and felt more confident. And you listened very well today. Small conversations like this are very useful in real life. Step by step, your English can become clearer and more natural too. It's okay to feel nervous sometimes. Take your time. You're doing well. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What drink did Anna finally order? Write your answer in the comments below. Writing your answer helps you practice English, improve your memory, and feel more confident with new phrases. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle English stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next English Listening Stories.